Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience using OVHcloud object storage, so your mileage may vary. OVHcloud offers a robust and scalable object storage solution, perfect for storing large amounts of data like backups, archives, and media files. This overview will explore key features and benefits of this service, based on my own hands-on experience. OVHcloud's object storage leverages OpenStack Swift, providing a highly compatible and industry-standard platform. This means you can easily integrate with existing tools and applications designed for OpenStack Swift. One of the biggest advantages is its pay-as-you-go pricing model, meaning you only pay for the storage you actually use. This eliminates the need for large upfront investments and allows you to scale your storage needs as your business grows. Security is a top priority, with data encryption both in transit and at rest. This ensures your sensitive information remains protected. OVHcloud boasts a global network of data centers, offering high availability and redundancy. This minimizes the risk of data loss and ensures your data is accessible when you need it. They offer several different storage classes, catering to various performance and cost requirements. Whether you need high-performance storage for frequently accessed data or cost-effective storage for archiving, OVHcloud has a solution. Their user-friendly interface makes managing your data simple and intuitive. You can easily upload, download, and organize your files through a web-based console or API. OVHcloud Object Storage integrates seamlessly with their other cloud services, creating a comprehensive ecosystem for your cloud infrastructure needs. You can easily link your object storage with their compute services, databases, and more. For developers, OVHcloud provides a comprehensive API and SDKs for various programming languages, enabling seamless integration with your applications. This allows you to automate tasks and build custom workflows. Furthermore, OVHcloud provides excellent documentation and support resources to help you get started and troubleshoot any issues. From tutorials and FAQs to direct support channels, they've got you covered. Overall, OVHcloud Object Storage offers a powerful, scalable, and cost-effective solution for your data storage needs. With its robust features, security measures, and global network, it's a great option for businesses of all sizes. Remember to check out the links in the description for more detailed information and to sign up for a free trial. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about my experience with OVHcloud Object Storage.